Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet home decor ideas. These are very pretty, these are very amazing, and these are very stunning ideas for you guys. I hope so guys you like these crochet ideas. If you want different craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about this craft work. So viewers, these are very beautiful and these are very amazing crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. You guys easily make these crochet ideas at home. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet ideas at home. These are super amazing and super incredible ideas for you guys. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are super incredible and very unique crochet ideas for you guys, and I hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. Always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Hope so guys you all are doing well. And these are very pretty, these are very amazing ideas for you guys. So viewers, you watch different kind of videos on my channel about different craft videos. Follow for more details. And these are super incredible ideas for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.